So let's make some new words with all of them together. What color is that? Robot. I have the r. D. D. Remember, we stretch and then we blend. Let's stretch. Red. Red. Now you blend. Red. Now you have to do it. Red. Red. Very good. That's the word red. Let's make another one. What is this? It is an adult or a kid. I'll say it's a boy, right? And the boy, it's a kid. It's a child. And we call him a kid. K-I-D. K-I-D. Kid. Kid. Now you do it. Stretch. Kid. Now you blend. Go. Kid. Very good. Now let's practice and make another one. What are they doing? Now who is this guy? He's holding a girl, so I say he is her father. But we're not writing father, we're writing a small word that also means father. Do you know what it is? Let's see. D. A. D. D. A. D. Dad. 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 Very good. He is her dad. You know how to read some words already, huh? Now let's make another one. Oh, this part here of your body. That's the head. And this little part here that holds your head, connects your head to the rest of your body, it's called, do you know? Let's find out. For nest, right? Eh. Oh, I have the k together. When I have these two together, I just say it once. K. That's it. K. I don't say k, k. I say k. It's one sound, okay? See, they're close together. So I have three sounds. K. Let's see. K. Neck. Now put together. Neck. Neck. Very good. That's our neck. Are you reading, huh? Good job. Let's try another one. Ooh, we need that to go from one place to another to not to get lost. We need to read that thing. Do you know what that is? For mask, remember? What sound is that one? Popcorn. P. P. Let's stretch. Map. Now put together. Map. Now you do it. Map. 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 This is a map. Very well. Let's try another one. Ooh, a chicken. That's another way of calling it. Let's see. Hat. Hen. Hen. You stretch. Hen. Very well. Hen.